So hello everyone, and today we will be seeing one of the problem from Geeks for Geeks. It says Anagram Palindrome. The problem is pretty simple, that we are given a string S and we have to determine whether its characters can be rearranged to form a palindrome. Return true if it is possible or else false. Now you know the palindrome, what palindrome is. It is a string which can be read forward and backward. It is the same, such as dad. Forward and backward it's same, such as mom, such as sis. But bro is not a palindrome. So because the inversion of bro is ORB, orb, and hence it is not. And so on and so forth. Here you have odd numbers because the count is 3 of letters. It can be like even count A, B, B, A, which is even count and it is still a palindrome. Here point to be noted is every character occurs in an even number. Every character is even in count, with the exception as odd, or at least one is odd, but no more than that. So if I can have A, B, B, A, B, C, B, C, B, A, okay, I can have this, but I cannot have A, B, C, D, A. So here I have C and D as count 1, which is not working. And now things are pretty simple. So count of odd should be equal to 1 at max. That is all gist of the problem is. So if I have a table to count the frequency of all 26 characters of English alphabet, and if I can take character one by one from S dot to character array, and I'll do one thing, that I'll consider this character CH. I'll take the appropriate position for this and increment the count. Ultimately I'll have an odd count, which is initially I'll assign to 0, and for each count within the table I'll see that hey, if the count is even, then I will add it into the odd. If not, I'll keep it aside. So here odd count plus equal to CNT modulo 2. So it is a smart way to do this. So if it is count is odd, it will add up into the odd count. If it is even, it will give you 0 and nothing would be added in odd count. Now I'll return odd count should be lesser than or equal to 1. Should be lesser than or equal to 1. Let's compile this one. Yep, compilation seems good, and now it's time to submit it. It is submitted for rest of all the test cases. This follows a very good foundation for string problems. You know, there is also one very basic foundational question: to replace a single character so that a string can be URL encodified, and that single character is nothing but space. If you wanted to know about that, click the video on your right, and I will see you in the next one.